Mas exciting na ang kadalanan sa Sugbo tungod kay naabot na gyud sa probinsya ang Mini Cooper F56, the new Mini, the new original. Gipahigayon kagahapon sa Mini Cooper showroom sa Dakbayan sa Mandaue ang bagong modelo sa maong sakyanan.
We're launching tonight the F56. It's an all-new hatch that we promise that will excite you. And once you test drive the car, we promise you that you're not gonna only come out of the car smiling, but you'll feel so much younger as well.
Are you ready? Yes! We can guarantee you that the road in Cebu will be get more excited from the beginning.